Let me tell you something that might change how you see your pain. When Allah loves you, He doesn't always give you what you want. He gives you what you need. Sometimes that means He'll shake your world. He'll remove the things you thought you couldn't live without. He'll test you with people, with heartbreak, with silence. Not because He wants to hurt you, but because He wants to purify you. You see, if life was always easy, you'd forget Him. If everything went your way, you'd start thinking you're in control. But when life breaks you, when you fall to the ground with no strength left, that's when you finally look up and say, Ya Allah, I need you. That moment when your eyes fill with tears and your heart whispers His name, that's love. That's Allah calling you back. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when Allah loves someone, He tests them. And it's true, because tests are not there to destroy you. They're there to wake you up, to remind you that Jannah was never meant to be cheap. Think about it. Every prophet was tested, and they were the most beloved to Allah. Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam lost everything, yet he never gave up hope. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam was betrayed, forgotten, locked away, yet he stayed patient. And our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he went through pain that would break most hearts, yet he never stopped saying, Alhamdulillah. So when Allah tests you, don't rush to say, why me? Say, Alhamdulillah, my Lord still cares enough to purify me. Sometimes the storm you're facing isn't sent to destroy you. It's sent to wash something out of you. Maybe pride, maybe sin, maybe attachment to something that was never meant for you. The pain you feel is not wasted. Every tear that falls, every sleepless night, every dua whispered in the dark, it's all seen by the one who never forgets. And here's the most beautiful part. When Allah tests you, He also gives you the strength to survive it. You might think you're at your limit, but somehow you keep going. That's not you, that's Him holding you together. Maybe He took something away from you, but He replaced it with something far greater. Peace. Maybe He delayed something, but He replaced it with patience. And both of those are gifts that last longer than anything this world can offer. So don't let your test make you lose faith. Let it make you fall deeper in love with your Creator, because every scar, every heartbreak, every moment of struggle, it's proof that Allah hasn't given up on you. He's still working on your heart. He's still guiding you back to Him. He's still writing your story. And the ending will be beautiful, inshallah. So the next time life gets hard, just breathe and whisper, Ya Allah, I don't understand this, but I trust you. Because when Allah tests you, it's not to break you, it's to build you, to bring you closer, to make you ready for what's coming next. And one day, when you look back, you'll realize that test was never your ending. It was the beginning of your journey back to Allah. May Allah ease whatever you're going through. May He give your heart peace, your mind clarity, and your soul strength. Remember, your test is not the end. It's the path back to Him. Stay patient. Keep praying. Keep trusting Allah no matter what, because the one who is testing you is the same one who will heal you. Jazakallahu khairan for listening till the end. If this reminder touched your heart, don't forget to share it. Maybe someone out there needs to hear these words tonight. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.